Hi, Lauren from LSP Actions here. So in this really quick tutorial, we're going to be adding again a glowing light and a fairy trail using the LSP Christmas Magic Photoshop actions. There are previous tutorials to this one to show you how to use everything included in these actions. This tutorial is just focusing on can't get my words out, focusing on the Sprinkle of Magic section again. I mean, Christmas is not Christmas without a bit of Harry Potter, so let's bring Hermione in. She's just got her letter from Hogwarts. Let's make her wand magic. So I'm going to click on the LSP Apply Magic Overlay action. And in the Christmas Magic collection, you get Magic Trail overlays and glowing overlays. So let's choose one of the glows. I'm going to go for the glue, just the plain glow glitter overlay. This will come in nice and big, great for adding to candles, lanterns, anything else in your editing, but I'm going to add it to Hermione's wand, just to add that bit of magic. And again, I'm going to come again now, apply a magic overlay, and this time we're going to add one of the magic trail overlays. So which one should we go for? Let's go for this one. Resize it down. I'm actually going to right click this one, flip horizontal. I'm moving quite fast in this because this is not the first tutorial, but you can go and watch the other tutorials, especially the initial tutorial, the first tutorial, where I move a little bit slower and explain everything. So I'm just going to resize this so it looks like that magic's coming out. When you're happy, hit enter and the action will play out, and we now have Hermione's magic wand added. If you want to kind of make this calmer looking, perhaps take some of the colour out, you can play the extra action, click and whiten. If it's too white, just take the opacity down until you're happy. Down into the finishing section now towards the night before Christmas, I'm just going to play the City Edge vignette. That's just going to darken around the edges a little bit, give that slightly magical feel. So let's see there, before and after. You can watch the other tutorials over at lsp-actions.com, where everything is included, including everything to do with these Christmas Magic Photoshop actions. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.